everybody, welcome back to another video with me, Jamie. I know I have been gone a really long time, and that's because I was facing skin problems. I've been trying so many products on my face lately that I think I should stop and step back, and that's what I did. I put a pause on all of my skincare products, and of course I did break out really bad. I'm left with a lot of blemishes. I've tried a couple of products for my blemishes, but I did have to go back to Clinique. I've done a review on that. I'll put that up here for you to watch. I love Clinique when I'm breaking out, and a little post breakout as well to clear up the blemishes. But yeah, that's besides the point. I'm back to shooting videos, and I want to also let you know that I do have a skincare test. Now, if you are looking out for a new skincare product and not sure what your skin type is, I have put together a quick quiz that you can take in the comfort of your own home and decide and kind of figure out what your skin type is. I will put that link in the description box down below, so go check that out. So today I'm here to talk about the St. Ives cleansing sticks. These are what they look like. You actually get them in 3 different fragrances. I just have them in 2, the Apricot and Manuka honey and Cactus water and hibiscus. And I'm going to put the picture of the 3rd one here for you to see. Now, since I was traveling, I thought this would be an excellent way to take off my makeup and cleanse my skin. I've heard so much about cleansing sticks that I was just so excited to see them at the store, so I ended up picking up 2. On the packaging, it does say that it's made with 100% natural coconut oil. It is dermatologist-tested, it is non-comedogenic, and it's paraben-free as well. I like to use this on damp face, not dripping wet, damp. And I just massage this all over my face, avoiding the eye area. Take a little bit of water and kind of get a bit of lather into my skin, and I'll wash it off. Now, what I've noticed is that it does leave a little grease on my skin, and right now my skin is combination. So it does leave it a little bit greasy, so I do have to follow up with a cleanser, and it works well. I've also tried using it as a makeup cleansing stick, where I just, massage this into my dry face where I do have makeup on. Very minimal makeup, of course. And then again, work this into a lather, wash it off, and follow up with a cleanser. I think that's too much of a hassle for this. On my combination skin type, it hasn't worked well, but I want to keep it and maybe try it on my dry skin during the winter, and hopefully it will work better then. Now, I really wanted to love this product, but sadly, no. I mean, it had everything going for it. The packaging is so sleek, so trendy. The ingredients are nice, I would say nice. It's dermatologically tested, it's non-comedogenic. I mean, everything is actually going for the product, but sadly, it didn't work for me. And I want to keep it, like I said, and I really want to give this another try, probably on my dry skin. I think it would work better in the winter. Now, I would like to recommend this to someone who has an oilier skin type, but again, this does have 100% natural coconut oil. Now, it can be a hit and a miss for somebody who has oilier skin, so I'm not sure whether I would recommend it. I think they would need to try this before they actually like it. And then again, that goes for dry skin types as well. Now, it can work really well for a drier skin, and I've not tested that out as yet, but I would like to in the future. There's a difference between your skin feeling moisturized, and there's a difference between your skin feeling greasy. Now, I think with this, if you're just going to wash your face once, it can be left greasy, and that in turn might break you out. So if you want to try this, I would recommend following up with a cleanser that kind of cleans that grease, and I think that way it would work really well. I don't think I'm going to be recommending this cleansing stick. If you do have combination skin type, I don't think this is going to work for you. I'm not going to be rebuying this in the future, definitely not. However, I'm not giving up on cleansing sticks as of yet. There are some of cleansing sticks that I do want to try in the future, and I'm not going to kind of make up my mind about it as of yet. I want to try the Neogen one in the future and a couple of others, and then kind of figure out whether I like a cleansing stick or not. I'm going to be adding the ingredient list here for you to read. I got mine, I want to say at Walgreens. I'm not sure, but I also saw them at Target and at CVS as well. I will put a link to Amazon down in the description box so you can go and check that out. St. Ives from 2018 is a cruelty-free company. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next. Till then, you take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.